Hi guys! Today I'll show you the best ways to recover iPhone 6 or 6 Plus with or without iTunes. In order to recover your data on your iPhone using iTunes, you have to download it first from Microsoft Store. After that, launch the application, then connect your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus via Lightning cable. On the interface of the program, click the phone icon and choose Summary located at the left side menu bar. Then, you can click Restore Backup and select a backup you want to restore, then you will be able to recover your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus. We also have another way to recover iPhone 6 or 6 Plus without the help of iTunes. This is by using a Power Rescue. To get this program, go to its official page, then download and install it on your PC. Next, launch a Power Rescue and connect your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus to your computer via Lightning cable. From its interface, you can choose a certain file type you want to recover or even select all kinds of files. Once done selecting, click Start Scan and wait a moment for a Power Rescue to scan your iPhone. After that, check the files on the left toolbar or on the preview area. Then, click Recover to Computer and choose the folder where you want to place your files. Finally, you have now your files from your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.